The amount of times na nag-swimming kami, considering na this is a beach trip, bilang sa daliri, guys. Bilang sa daliri. Guys, life update. Day 4. Wala na kaming na-update yesterday kasi rookie mistake. Ubus na pala yung internal memory, guys. Tapos, ang confident pa namin mag-film kasi wala yung vision dock niya. Like, yung camera lang sa taas kasi yung waterproof. Good thing, na-film naman lahat ng underwater footage. So that I'll have to edit. Alala ko, nag-drone shot, human drone shot pa din. It wasn't even recording.
Dito kapag drone siya sa isa.
Yeah, sabi ko, kuya, recording na yan. But now it's day 4. We woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
So kayo mag-i-stay sa Dayo.
Yes, say no to Dayan. Actually, the very first time na nag-arrive tayo, I said, what the hell? Internally, I said, what the hell? Kasi unang, kita ko palang parang, I mean, okay naman sa room. Like, I think it's spacious. Pero walang salamin. Bakit naman walang salamin? Tapos, expect mo yung mga guests mo, foreigners. We're finally at Dayo Coron. And this is our breakfast for today. It's almost 9 a.m. It's at 9:11, guys, actually. So, Clarissa got her classic grilled cheese. And I got eggs Benedict toast. Ano ko pala ng serving? Bakit naman ganito yung serving? Nandito pala yung mic ko. Paano ko naman po ubusin? Guys, breakfast is done. It's almost 10:30. And this is Miss Clarissa just struggling to find the perfect IG background music for her story.
Ang lalagay ko na background music, tanging ina.
Guys, look at this. Finally, the sky is showing. And then, by the way, we devoured our food. Masarap siya, 10 out of 10. So now, what's the plan?
Go na to the spring. I feel like yes, kasi the weather is... Or should we go first to Montagua?
Everyone, it's day 4. It's almost magto 2 p.m. na actually. Yeah. And tsaka pala kami maghahanap ng lunch. Kasi nanonood siya ng K-drama. So, ayan na, nag-crave na siya. So, nag-crave na rin ako. Tapos, pupunta rin kami for some potato corner. Oh my God. If makabili tayo ng potato corner, this would be my first time again to have potato corner. Yeah.
Kawawa ka naman.
It's day 4, guys. And I just realized wala pa akong single clip dito sa Dayon Hostel. Like, never ako nag-film dito, inside the room. It's not bad, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how it actually looks like. So, ito yung door. Sliding door lang siya, actually. And then, please excuse the mess that you're seeing right now kasi we're about to leave tomorrow. We're going back to El Nido again. So, meron lang stand here with hangers na hindi naman nakakatuyo. Kasi late sinabi sa amin na may sampayan sa taas. Like, late na sila nagsabi na nasa taas ang sampayan. Like, alis na po kami bukas, oh. Anyway, merong hair dryer na hindi ko naman nagamit. So, may table lang dyan. And then, here's what the bunk bed looks like. Honestly, room is good. Considering na, like, this is private room, it's good. It's, I guess you could say it's spacious. Ang hindi ko lang talaga gusto is yung washroom situation. Sobrang, I don't know how to explain it. I mean, gets ko, siguro concept nila yung semento. Semento type of concept. Pero, alam mo yun, dahil doon, nagiging parang, it doesn't look well-maintained. Really. Like, minsan, pag naliligo ako, hindi na lang ako tumitingin sa sahig. Kasi parang, hindi man ako maarte, guys. Pero, just the way on how it looks, it's a pass. It's a no for me. So, just so glad na going back to El Nido tomorrow. Magpa 5 p.m. na, guys. And then, ang plan namin for tonight is we'll go to Mount Tapias for the sunset. And then, we'll have dinner. If magugutoman kami along the way. Pero the goal for tonight is to have drinks. Yeah. That's it. Today is actually a very slow morning kasi dapat mag-hot spring din kami. Pero yung entrance fee is 300. So that's a bit expensive. Tapos yung isa din na nakasama namin sa tour yesterday, like nag-hot spring sila and she was sharing na like sobrang init daw ng tubig, which is like parang hindi naman na enjoyable if ever. But yeah. So for the night, that's the plan. And then we'll go back to El Nido tomorrow. That's the update for now. Let's see kung ano pang gagawin namin for later. Guys, we've reached Mount Tapias. Hindi pa yung Mount Tapias.
Alam mo, kalahati lang tulog na to. Parang dapat ata,
Pinuno.
muna tayo kay pinuno ko.
Wala man lang warm up guys. Pagbaba sa amin ng tricycle. Umakyat lang kami. Na parang walang mangyayari. Tapos ito na pala yun. Naka-ano pa lang kami guys. What time is it? Magpa 5:15. Tapos kakakita pa lang namin ng 100 step marker. Wala man lang ano guys, warm up. Basta na, tingnan nyo yung mga dumadating ano sila, gym clothes, shoes. Tapos tingnan nyo kami.
Nakachinelas pa.
Nakasandals.
May tubig kayo dyan.
Pabili naman po. Almost close guys. It's 5:23. You can see the Coron sign. A little bit, just a little bit. And oh, I can see the 400 steps marker. Parang, wait. Binibilang nila tapos na mali ng bilang. 100.
Ang water?
600 steps in. Ang motivation ko lang right now is yung naririnig ko na waterman. It's 7:15. Nakababa kami from Mount Tapias. Kanina pa actually. Pero nanginginig pa rin yung paa ko. Tapos ang usapan guys, may nakita kaming shop. Ang usapan, si Clarissa lang yung bibili ng ring for her mother. Para kay tita lang dapat. Ang ending, nabudol pa nga. Paano niya ginastify? Sabi niya, okay lang yan. Gumagastos ka nga na napakamahal. Para sa pagkain sa Dubai. Tapos yan.
One time ko lang bibili ng souvenir na ganyan.
Yes.
Pakamura, tas ang ganda.
So, sabi ko na lang, shh, eto na. I will show you. Pero before I show you guys, look at this. After ilang araw ng paghahanap, we've finally tried, or not yet tried, we've finally found this gelato. It's mango float. Sabi pa ni Clarissa, ate, anong bestseller nyo? Tapos hindi naman yun yung binili niya. So, bakit pa nagtanong? Anyways, we'll eat and then I'll show you the souvenir. It's so cute. Hindi ko napigilan. This one, guys. Yung nasa pinakaunahan. So cute, right? Kaso nga lang, sabi ni ate, pagka maliligo daw, much better na tanggalin kasi may possibility siya na mag-tarnish kasi yung gold is gold-plated lang. Pero yung pearl is real naman. So, pinasubukan ko pa siya. Pinalighted.
Sarang ko lang yung gelato.
Oh, this is actually good. So, I guess success naman tayo for tonight, as I've said. We did Mount Tapias, which is our original plan naman. And then, we've had gelato. We'll see if we'll have some drinks. Pero as of now, we'll devour this gelato and then we'll update further. Good morning from day 5. It's 7:37 a.m. Ngayon ako mag-film habang hindi pa umaandar yung boat. Kasi after this, tulog na ako. Tulog na ako dahil sa alon. Actually, nagising ako mga 4 a.m. Tapos sobrang lakas ng ulan. Tapos nag-message pa ako sa Coast Guard, like sa Facebook page ng Coast Guard ng Coron, if operational yung first ferry nila. Tapos nag-reply naman sila, operational naman daw. But like, grabe, I really think Coron is not for us. Like, puro, alam niyo yun, I don't know kung biggest factor lang talaga yung weather. Kasi sobrang ulan, like the moment we got here, alam mo yun, agad yung nasalubong sa amin, yung cancellation agad ng boat expedition. Tapos from then on, parang from time to time magkakaroon ng something na parang, bakit naman nangyayari sa amin to? So, here's the thing. Una pa lang, pagising namin, ang hirap makakuha ng tricycle. My God. Ang pangit. Another bad review for Dayon Hostel. Sorry po. Basher na akong basher, pero napaka ng location nyo. Bad location. Ang hirap kumuha ng tricycle. Actually, narinig ko, sabi nung ate, parang nag-initiate naman siya kaunti. Sabi niya, may tricycle ba sa labas? Sabi nung isa, wala. Yun na yun. Tapos yun na yun. Wala na silang tinulong after. Tapos pagdating namin sa port, yung sa may ticketing office, kasi wala pa kami ng physical ticket. My God, ang haba ng pila. Tapos nire-reconfirm ko sa mga nakapila. Sabi ko, ito ba yung pila regardless if like may ticket ka na or not? Sabi nila, yes, ito yung pila. Tapos I was just there waiting in line. Tapos si Clarissa, siya yung nag-check sa harap. Tapos si Clarissa, para siyang nanalo sa ticket. Sabi niya, hawak niya yung ticket. Like this, sabi niya, girl, hindi lahat may pre-book ticket sa kapila.
Okay, but for context, since, ang pangat ko dito. But for context, since sobrang haba kasi ng pila, it was almost 7 a.m. Like, it's 6:40. Actually, bumili pa kami ng kape tsaka food. Then, after that kasi napansin ko, 6:40 na. Tapos, yung pila is hindi siya gumagalaw. Like, CJ is literally at the end of the line. And magsa-7 na. So, nabother ako na baka mamaya maiwan kami ng barko, tapos magre-rebook na naman kami. So, sayang yung binayad namin. So, what I did is pumunta ako dun sa pinaka-unahan ng line. Like, sobrang daming tao doon. Tapos, puro foreigner nandun. So, I asked them one by one, do you guys have a pre-book ticket? And they said like, no, we didn't. We got our tickets yesterday, but it was cancelled. So, they need to book a new one. So, I asked almost everyone in the front. And they all said the same thing. So, I was like, why are they in the front of the line if they don't have any tickets? So I said, I showed them my ticket, like, oh, we already have a pre-book one and our trip is at 7 a.m. I was so worried because it's almost 7 and my friend is at the end of the line. And they said, oh, you get a pre-book ticket, you should go first. So, ayun, thank God. Pinauna naman nila akong lahat na hindi naman labag sa loob nilang paunahin ako.
Anong day na ulit tayo? Day 5. Day 5 update, guys. Sorry, ngayon lang po nakapag-film. It's almost 4:20 p.m. We finally arrived sa Spin El Nido. A decent hostel. Finally. Sorry na agad sa mess na makikita nyo. Kasi Actually, it's very different. So, magmi-mini room tour tayo. Again, sorry sa mess kasi Sorry po kasi usually dapat ang room tour yung malinis pa. Pero wala na kayong choice kasi nakikinood lang naman kayo. So ito yung door, guys. Actually, decent talaga siya. When I say decent, it's decent compare sa mga natulugan namin noong nakaraan. Makikita nyo naman. So there's a mirror here. And then, here's the washroom. Decent din siya. Ito yung toilet. And then, nakahiwalay yung shower area. And then, there's a sink here with a mirror. Salamat naman po at tatlo. Maraming mirror. Tatlo ang salamin compare dun sa...
Kaya talaga namin gusto dito kasi madaming mirror.
Compare dun sa Dayon. Oh my God. Like, ayaw nila makita yung sarili nila sa salamin. So, bunk bed lang din siya, though it's a private room. Tapos, I love this kasi ang daming lagayan. Pero hindi kami maglalagay dyan kasi knowing us, makakalimutan namin yan. Tapos, yes, kasi mas namin, mas nakikita namin na, ito yun, ganun. So, ito, like may mini table lang dito. And then, the bunk bed is actually decent as well. Malaki yung sizing. Actually, kasya kami dalawa sa baba if ever. And then, there's a, what do you call this? A rug. A rug! May basahan. And then, I'm gonna show you guys the view. Chanel! Kita lang yung labas. Yeah. Later, if sipagin ako, papakita ko sa inyo yung like, area. Hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina kasi grabing, parang gusto na lang namin makalis sa Coron. Like, get us out of here ASAP. Hindi na ako nakapag-film. The moment na dumating kami sa El Nido, umuulan na naman, basang-basa. Para kaming basang sisiyo. Literal.
Tapos nakasilang na kami kumakain.
Yeah, the moment na kumakain kami, biglang umaraw. Tapos umambo na naman. Tapos, ano ba itong weather na ito? As I was saying, we're off to Bayview to get some pics and then magsuswimming kami. Kasi the amount of times na nag-swimming kami, considering na this is a beach trip, bilang sa daliri, guys. Bilang sa daliri.
Ano lang, nag-light tayo. Tapos nag-island hopping tayo. Wala lang twice.
Ano, beach trip ba ito? Bakit?
Like, pag nakita mo yung yung shampoo conditioner ko, hindi ba siya sobrang bawas? I mean, bawas siya pero hindi siya yung super gamit.
Super go. Guys, natatawa na lang talaga kami. Kaya kailangan namin i-ROI ito. Yan ang update for now. We'll see later. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Kanina hindi kami excited kasi nagbibilang kami ng budget. Tapos parang imposible. Bakit? Tapos dumating nga sa point na kino-compromise na namin yung coffee. Sa breakfast naman tayo mag-coffee. Can you believe that? Anong gagaling sa bibig namin yun? Considering na laging priority namin yung coffee. Pero ayun na. Ano na kami? Nakapag-recharge na kami kahit papano. So, maghahanap na si Kla ng kanyang organic encounter. Yeah, you heard her. And then, let's update later. Live update, guys. We're finally here. We're in Bayview now. This is our food. We ordered pasta, of course. And then, you ordered?
Mine is, basta mahirap siya bang basta meron siyang shrimp. It's a shrimp pasta.
Basta may shrimp, guys. Yun ang mahalaga. So, she had her, what do you call this? Cucumber lemonade. Pangalawa niya na yan, guys. Magpapangatlo ba tayo for today?
Guys, hear me out.
Yeah.
Choices is choco banana shake, pineapple mint shake, which is, I don't like mint, so no choice ako.
Who eats mint on vacation? Not us. Tapos nag-sunmig lang ako, guys. Ang aga-aga for sunmig. Before we start eating, kanina nakakatawa, nag-tricycle kami. Tapos sabi ni Kuya, kasi naglakad muna kami sa town kasi bumili kami. Guys, nabudol niya na naman ako. Obvious naman siguro kung ano yung nabudol sa akin. The ring. Natawaran namin siya, so okay naman. Pero nabawasan na naman po yung budget natin for today's video. Tapos ayun na nga, nag-tricycle kami. Tapos akala ni Kuya, nandito kami nakastay sa Bayview. Kasi sabi namin, kaya sa Bayview po. Tapos akala niya like naglakad lang kami sa town or something. Tapos sabi niya bigla, ilang weeks na kayo dito, ma'am? Gano'n na kayo katagal? Sabi ni Clarissa.
1 week.
With full confidence. Sabi niya, 1 week po. Ayun ang gusto ko sa vacation kasi pwede ka gawa-gawa ng kwento. So, 1 week na kami dito, guys. Tinanong ni Kuya yung driver. Sabi niya, ma'am, nagnakpan na po kayo. Sabi naman, tapos na po. Kahapon ba sabi mo? Kahapon po.
Tapos na, pero gusto
Basta yun, tapos na. Sabi, magkano po binayad nyo? Na-spotlight ako ni Clarissa. Sa akin ba naman tinanong? Sabi niya, magkano ulit yung binayad natin? Tapos ako naman nag-iisip ng amount. Sabi ko, mga magkano sinabi ko? 1.5? 1.5, 1.6. Nilagyan ko pa ng range para kunyari nakalimutan ko ganyan. Sabi ni Kuya, na-scam kayo ma'am. Ano lang yun 1.2 lang dapat yun
Tapos, yung reaction po namin, sobrang nonchalant na, hindi, okay lang yun.
Nagmamadali kasi kami kuya, kaya tinanggap na namin yung never pa naman kami nagnakpa. So, yun ang funny pag nagbabakasyon, gawa-gawa ka lang ng kwenta, guys. Anyways, we'll have our dinner. Makikita nyo na naman ang walang sawang time-lapse. Cheers. Pwede nyo maingay na cheers naman. Kling!
Paano?
Yun yung sound effect niya. Thanks for having drinks. This is the life.
Yes, on a Sunday evening.
On a Sunday evening with no one around. Wala ding organic income.
Okay lang, meron naman yan bukas. Manifesting.
Manifesting. Clarissa doing God's work for us.
So, feeling ko kaya lang siya hindi natutuloy dahil doon sa mga nag-chat sa akin, nagre-reply ng story na, meron na ba? Kasalanan nyo yun eh.
Kasi
Kung bakit
masyado
wala
kayong excited. Like, kung kayo maging excited, just wait.
True. Go.
Pakinto po ng music, makaka-copyright tayo. Charis. It's now 8:34. We just finished our quick dip in the pool. Look at this view, guys. Literally. Parang kanina, nag-hesitate pa kami kung itutuloy pa namin to kasi nga, budget na ang mga kaperahan ng person na ito. Pero, I'm so glad we pushed through because this view, priceless, guys. Priceless. Anyway, we're just trying to dry up and then we'll do a bit of walking sa town. And then I'm just so glad that we're finally back in El Nido. We had drinks, as you can see in the previous clips, if it was recording. Yun ang problema namin ngayon. Yung mga clips namin, recording. Tapos pagtingin namin sa phone, either full storage or it did not record at all. Bukas, babawi kami. We'll finally have our island hopping tour. I hope you can hear me because the song is literally... Anyway, tomorrow is our island hopping tour with... What was that tour? Hockey. With hockey. Yeah, I was gonna say friends with hockey. And then, yeah. We'll do some walking tonight and we'll update further. Parang hindi na kami magde-dinner kasi nabusog kami sa kinain namin tonight.
Hello guys, we're at the town proper. Sana naririnig niyo ako kasi maingay. Show it.
We're here sa town. Just roaming around. Actually,
Muna Penoy.
guys, alam nyo ba? fake Pinoy si Clarissa. Hindi mo pala siya kumakain ng balot. Tapos todo aya siya kala Carissa na they should... Carissa is one of the ladies that we met sa Coron Island hopping tour. Tapos todo pilit siya kay Carissa na dapat magbalot sila. Dina-explain niya pa like how to eat it and all. Tapos, hindi mo pala siya kumakain ng balot, guys. What is this? What is this fakeness? Fakeness. So, ngayon naghahanap kami ng balot at Penoy or gelato. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. This is balot. And she got her Penoy. Asa na dito ang ano? Kalimutan ko na. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I need my asin. Hell yeah. I can see the eyes. So first thing, we need to drink the sabaw. Parang feeling ko ngayon na lang ulit ako nakakain ng balot. Oh God. Guys, breakfast time. It's 7:13. We're finally having our breakfast. I just had egg omelette and then pancake, and then she devoured her breakfast already. She had the same pancake and then omelette, but I got pandesal and then coffee. Buti na lang talaga. May breakfast yung reservation namin. Otherwise, ang aga namin gigising para maghanap kung saan kakain. So good. A very sad update, everyone. It's our last full day here in El Nido. We were so happy that we're finally back in El Nido because we will finally get a decent island hopping tour from Hockey. And then just this morning, they texted us na it's canceled because of the weather. Again, ano pa nga ba? So again, we have to make some new plans and nagkatotoo yung plan namin na naging feeling 1 week na kami dito at nakapagnakpa na daw kami. Ayun, makakapagnakpa na nga kami. So at least this time hindi na kami may scam kasi sabi nga ni Kuya, 1-2 lang dapat yun. So if anyone offers more than 1-2, sorry po, scam ka po Kuya. Look at Clarissa's outfit. Show them.
Guys, look at my outfit. I'm so fucking ready to take pictures sa island hopping and beach. Look at it. Look at this dress and this colorful bikini. Sobrang bihira nyo lang makikita ang makulay.
Siya dapat na magiging ilaw ng island hopping tour. Para sa organic encounter na yan. But now, no. So now we're just getting ready. We're off to Angkla, as what I've said. And let's just hope. Kahit sunset lang, Lord, please. Yun lang talaga. And then let's wrap up this trip. I'm so ready to go home.
Yeah. At this moment, nililook forward ko na lang makita ulit yung aso.
Yes, my tati. Okay, so that's it for now. We'll update. Life update, everyone. It's almost 1 p.m. As I've said earlier, dapat ang plan namin is we will go to Angkla. As I've said, na-cancel yung island hopping tour namin, and then initially we were just planning to go to Angkla only. Kaso, yung mga kino-quote naman ng tricycle driver sa amin It was like 1,000 pesos one way. One way pa lang yun. Like, ano naman gagawin sa 1K tapos i-drop off nyo lang naman kami. And you're not even gonna wait. Right? Such scammer. She's just happy because she finally have a decent mango shake. So, yun nga, 1,000 yung kina-quote sa amin just for drop-off. Which is like, napaka-overpriced naman. Though, yung nakaraan nga, yung driver na nakausap namin, parang ang kinote, or sinasabi sa amin is dapat 1-2 lang, round trip na. Pero yung mga sinasabi ng tricycle drivers, yung 1-2 daw is parang may bago daw silang tariff or something. May new pricing sila, ganon. So parang kami naman, parang willing mag-pay ng 1,000 for one way. Buti na lang, habang nagwe-wait kami for refund, nakita ko yung may offer, yung hockey na parang round trip, van round trip siya, I think, from Nakpan to El Nido, going back also. And then, parang 700 lang siya, 700 round trip. So, buti na lang nakita namin yun. So, kaso nga lang, when we came, parang magka 12 p.m.-ish, wala na silang availability for 12 p.m. So, ang plan is mag-lunch na lang kami, tapos 2 p.m. yung pinaka-available, and then yung pick-up from Nakpan is 7 p.m. So, we would have enough time naman. So, now we're just waiting for our lunch. I ordered inasal bowl. Well, Clarissa got... What did you get? Sisig? Was it sisig? Sisig bowl. Tapos, as I've said earlier, kaya sobrang excited kami because finally, after how many days, we managed to get a decent mango shake, guys. See this? And this is ripe mango. So, wala siyang halo or anything. Kasi yung pinakaunang mango shake na nakuha namin, it was in Coron. Tapos may halo siyang mga gulaman, guys. Like, hindi naman yun mango shake. So, hindi siya success. Ngayon lang talaga kami nag-success. What can you say about your mango shake? What can you say about your mango shake?
This mango shake is not a fake mango shake. It's an original one. It's an original one because you can see it in the color. It's pure mango. Doesn't even have any milk or powder whatsoever.
Pure, guys. That's why it's called the ripe. Sa kulay pa lang, halatang halata na this is real. So, we finally managed to get a decent one. And alam niyo ba, di ba meron kaming gagawing TikTok trend na parang, let's go get a mango shake. Tapos parang, from where? Tapos, you'll just do this gesture all throughout hanggang sa makarating kayo sa destination nyo. We were gonna do that. Pero since we couldn't get like a decent mango shake, it came to the point na yung drinks na lang namin sa Bayview last night. Dapat yun na lang, babaguhin namin. Pero since we have it now, we could finally do the trend. So, we're just waiting for our food. I'm sorry if I'm rambling too much. We're just waiting. See? Kita nyo ang araw-araw. Ang tirik ng araw pero canceled yung tour. That's what's annoying about this. So, I'll show you our food later. As of now, we're just waiting. And that's the update for now. Food is here. I got my inasal bowl. Arisa got her sisig. And she's happy. Exactly just like the song, guys. Hello. Shake of the day. Inano na talaga namin, guys. Sinagad na namin. So, we have our mango shake. And then,
We have a mango float.
parang ginudge kami ni Kuya kind of. Sabi niya, your mango shake po. Your mango float po. Kasi hindi po kami mahilig sa mango, actually. So, we'll just be here. Yeah. It's currently 4:30. And then, ang pick up namin is 7 p.m. So, we'll be here from then on. Let's just hope that there will be sunset. Kasi yun lang naman ang pinunta namin from here. Let's go! I made a mistake. I may or may not have forgotten to vlog. It is now 7 a.m. actually. We're about to board our El Nido to Manila flight. Actually, pagtapos namin actually, di siya dinner. Yung mango float tsaka yung mango shake, that's not considered dinner. Pero after namin kumain dun sa Nakpan, walang sunset. Pag minamalas ka nga naman, walang sunset. Yun yung inaabangan namin. Tapos, wala. Nandun lang kami. We were just watching the sea and then waiting. And then, after that, we were both feeling under the weather. We were both having migraine. So, pag-uwi namin, ang balak pa namin is i-claim namin yung mga like free stop namin for drinks na provided ng Spin. We did not. Natulog lang kami after. And then I was not even able to film yung breakfast. So, as you can hear now, we're currently boarding. We're finally going back to Manila and I'm so ready to go home. Now I can actually say na real vacation starts now. So yeah, we're boarding and we'll see you in Manila.